Kindergartners, math today so easy peasy. You were doing work like this at the very beginning of the school year, which is of course where they planned for students to be doing this work in the books. So this actually works out pretty well because you guys are having to do your learning on your own now at home. So I'm glad that the things are fairly simple for you. Today is going to be just extra simple, but it'll give you some good practice with writing numbers since we're not doing handwriting or anything like that. All right, guys, lesson 4.2, count and write to 10. So really, I mean, just think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know how to count things like that. But you're going to get a lot of practice writing these. And as you write them, I want you to remember that this is the numeral 10. And the numeral 10 has 2 digits. 1 to show us 110 because we have a whole 10 things. And 0 to show us there are 0 extra that go with the 10. So go ahead and practice writing all those. Remember, these little dots are here up here are reminding you, where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you're going to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top, and that goes for numbers too. Now, boys and girls, right here, you can see 10 arranged the way that you would have 10 on your hands, right? 5 here and 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one in the middle, same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one in the middle. And you know from your fingers that 5 and 5 make 10. So again, just practice writing 10. Remember, we use 2 digits to make the numeral 10. And then down here, start your letter at the top, hit the ball, run the bases, and here, lowercase n is a diver letter, dive straight down, and then go straight back up that trail of bubbles all the way to the almost the top, and then curve around and down. Next page, oh my goodness, you're going to see how easy we're looking at things for today. Trace 10, and now for each of these boxes, you just count the number of items and write the number, the digit, the numeral down here. Here again, you're just practicing writing 10. Here's the word 10 with letters. Here's the numeral 10 with numbers, and it's written with 2 digits. Again, just count them right over here, how many there are, onto the last page. Now, it thinks it's being a little tricky, but this isn't really tricky for you. You're supposed to show a set that has 9 items, and then it should be 1 greater. Do you remember when we did greater than and less than? So make 9 and then do 1 greater than 9. So you're not making 9 and 1. Make 9 and then add 1 to it so that you show a number 1 greater. And then down here at the bottom, you guys have already figured out how many items will you have done if you do 9 and then 1 greater. You're just going to go ahead and write that number down there. Okay, guys, no problem on that one. Tomorrow, we're going to get into some of the creating 10 things that have a little bit more to do with the thinking processes you're really going to need to have ready for first grade. So take this little break that you had today and get that brain really ready for tomorrow's work.